Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to rate your team members in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. From the left-hand side navigation panel, click on the My Performance menu and select the Rate My Team submenu. This will open the team rating interface, where you can view all your reporting team members in one place. In the Rate My Team section, locate the employee whose performance you wish to evaluate. In the action column next to the employee's name, click on Rate Now. This will open the detailed rating interface for that employee. Start by selecting the appropriate rating period from the drop-down menu. As a reporting manager, you will be able to view the employee's self-ratings and past remarks before submitting your own evaluation. Enter your ratings in the Manager Ratings section and provide meaningful feedback in the Manager Remarks section for both KRAs and competencies. The system will automatically calculate and display the manager average rating based on your inputs. You will also find the Appraiser RM recommendation section. Here, you can provide recommendations regarding the employee's future growth, training needs, promotion considerations, or other observations that may support their career progression. These inputs contribute to a comprehensive and well-rounded appraisal process. After completing all the required fields and reviewing your inputs, click on the Save button to submit your ratings and finalize the evaluation. That's it. You now know how to rate your team members in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.